Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. So let's get straight into it. Now this is the fastest way to scrub your entire sheet or a specific selection. So highlight the column of the specific range where you want to find duplicates. So let's say this one here. Now go to the data here at the top toolbar and select data cleanup. So we need to find that data cleanup and remove duplicates. Now a pop-up window will appear. So select check the data has header row, and then if your top row contains titles, so in my example it does, select which column to analyze. If you only want to remove entries where the description and date are identical, check only those columns. Um, and what then when you are ready with that, then just remove duplicates. Now Google Sheet will tell you exactly how many duplicates rows were found and removed. So 5 duplicate rows found and removed, 21 unique rows remain. So click OK, and that's now basically it, what we remove duplicates. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next